my gosh, like seriously guys, this place is such a vibe. The grass, the wind, and the lighting. Perfect for my IG story talaga.
Pagdapak ang ambience ito mga Mark, I'm waiting for this park fancy.
Oh my God, dito pala sa park, parang jojowa na ako, XD.
Amot ninyo ha, magsaba mo dara. Ako dili gapahuway, grabe mo kasaba.
Wait, what? Like, what is the meaning of that? Para bang may subtitle dapat?
Ha? Kana akong gisulti? Etnyolit na sila uy, local dialect, Bisaya ba? Mga pulong nga gikan sa among lugar. Dili talang straight Tagalog gets?
You're not. Sige, explain nyo pa yan. Girl, same question.
My language is GG once. Type like this para makaprint XD.
Like, I literally felt like my brain was glitching. Like, is that even real spelling? What even was that?
Girl, up on the next language is Vietnamese. 101 powered by caffeine, trauma, dismiss, and governance. The echoes is fake news. Catch up or shut.
Hala uy, sa mga simple raman. Bisan dili Tagalog, storya, tapon na. Basta magasinabot, okay na.
Basta for me, important is blue zone.
Okay guys, clearly we're 4 different species right now. Pero one Barkada, one heart, part Chica starts now. Let's go! Chica food vibes! Charot!